Reading at frame 42 is 0.525, confirming severe deterioration.
Caution protocols initiated. The ROV deploys an acoustic pinger and backs away, marking the location of the UXO field for the EOD specialists.
Clear the stern.
5 meters to the water.
Watch the cable tension.
Control room, maintain descent speed. We have splashdown.
Roger. Surface. Internal pressure holding steady. Diver 2 checks complete.
Moving to frame 42.
Copy that. Maintaining coverage on this section.
Pressure looks good, maintain position.
Engaging impact wrench now. Confirming seal integrity from the inside.
All shackles confirmed secured, ready to commence inflation sequence.
Roger that. Initiating ballast transfer.
Confirming coordinates on the GPS unit.
Position verified. Tolerance holding at 6 inches.
Sensors are reading green, ready for lift.
It's massive. Look at the water pouring off. The bridge is clear. Get the shot.
Winch control, approaching target depth, 244 meters. Tension is good.
Copy that. Divers standing by to secure the strops.
Pull that line tighter on the starboard side. Holding steady, Chief. Secure the chain connector now.
approaching.
Acknowledged. Recommending slight course adjustment to mitigate swell impact.
Approved. Adjusting dynamic positioning now. All tugs maintain current pressure. We are entering the safety zone. Escorts, confirm perimeter is clear.
Position verified. We are clear to proceed with lowering.
Winches engaging. Tension stabilized. Descent rate nominal.
Watch your footing. Barnacles are slick.
Confirmed. Testing ahead now. Fumes are clear.
Control, this is entry team 1. We are encountering 3 feet of water with significant oil sheen. H2S levels are high, proceeding slowly.
Restoration is 2.3 million, replacement is 8 million.
We move forward with the extensive tube replacement plan.
Agreed. It's the only viable option. Send up the next support beam. Copy that, watch the line. Mark this entire section for plating replacement.
40% looks accurate based on this corrosion density.
I've got the photos documented. All right, lift it slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Keep the pressure steady. We're almost clear. Heads up below. Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance. Almost there. Hold it steady. Looks good. Set it down.
Platform 2, ease up on the pressure. We have a containment breach near the drains.
Roger that, Supervisor. Reducing pressure now.
This section shows significant biological hazard from the marine growth. Designate it red.
Acknowledged. Setting up the decon line south of here.
Watch the hoist coming through on level 4.
Copy that. Moving clear.
We need more plates on the starboard side.
Check this out. Found some uniform buttons in the locker.
Okay, cataloging now. Are those the corroded ones?
Yeah, completely rusted through. Clear the area. We're dropping steel. Move it out of the red zone.
This 40 by 30 foot compartment once housed 60 sailors. The challenge now is bringing this
Watch the line tension on the starboard side. Copy that. Easy on the hoist. Keep it steady.
The crew's main galley, measuring 50 feet by 40 feet, designed to prepare meals for 3,500.
Check the pitch angle on this blade now.
It's exactly 8.5 degrees.
We're getting a good alignment reading on the shaft over here.
Check this out, found some uniform buttons in the locker.
Okay, cataloging now. Are those the corroded ones?
Yeah, completely rusted through.
We're meticulously documenting the anesthesia equipment. The surgical table's corrosion is significant, but these instruments are partially salvageable.
All lines secure. Begin the lift sequence now. Copy that. Lifting on my mark. Mark.
This bearing shows significant wear. Outer race tolerance is out by 10 thou.
Noted. We'll tag it for replacement.
Testing circuit 4 alpha.
Fire alarm circuit is stable.
Clear to pull the main run through tray 2.
Okay, lift slowly from the left side.
Got it. Watch the cabling. We need to secure this container tightly.
Looks good. That locker isn't going anywhere. The bunks are secure too. Ready for the next section. Bring it down easy, watch the alignment.
Hold it there. We need a slight rotation to the left.
All right, it's seated. Pass me that first bolt.
We have to ensure these markings match the 44 Essex schematics exactly.
The squadron codes are confirmed, but double-check the tail letters.
Today, we celebrate the culmination of years of dedication. This magnificent vessel is
valve controls engaged.
Water level rising steady. Stress gauges holding nominal.
We've got 18 inches clearance.
Waterline checks out. She's stable and floating free.
All engines ahead slow. Tugboats, maintain position on the starboard side. We are clear of the blocks.
All tugs, commence slow forward movement. Stern tug, begin push to port.
Roger that. Pushing port. Maintaining tension on the hawser.
hooray! Okay, welcome home, Patriots. She made it. She's finally here.
All right, secure that base plate now. It's locked in. Railings look good up here. Confirmed. Let's move the equipment case. Down a few feet. Watch the tail clear.
All right, touchdown. Chocks in.
Securing starboard chains.
These exhibits honor the thousands of men and women who served aboard this vessel, telling their stories of courage and sacrifice.
Target bearing 2 maritime, distance 5,000.
Flight ops, launch the next section.
Signal flags hoisted, awaiting confirmation.
Multiple contacts converging on Sector 3.
Aye, shifting visualization. Stand by for engagement orders.
Breeds. The crew, typically ages 18 to 25, endured months of deployment in these confined spaces, following
Look, there's Johnson's name. He was a good kid.
What do you remember most about him, Dad?
He always made us laugh, even when things were rough.
The maintenance was grueling, especially after a tough mission. We lost some friends. But keeping this history alive, it makes it all worthwhile.
Look closely at this helmet. How is it different from the ones pilots wear today?
It looks much heavier.
And the technology inside is
Very old.
All right, everyone, settle down now. We're going to start the presentation on the carrier's history. Please find your spots quickly.
And now it is my honor to introduce Admiral Davis.
Thank you. Let's start the bidding on Lot 1 at $5,000. Do I hear 6?
The dive bombers came in high. We knew this was our chance to turn the tide of the war.
This place looks better every time we come out.
It's good to keep her looking pristine.
We just beat the high score. Amazing job, everyone. This reception looks great. Congratulations on a successful event.
I remember when this Skyhawk came aboard in '72. We relied on her heavily for close air support during that cruise.
Note the degradation pattern here. Does that align with the radiocarbon dating estimates?
It does. The organic residue confirms the timeline we established earlier.
The combat was intense. You never forget the sounds. But then I think of the camaraderie. We were just kids, really, trying to survive together.
Sincerely.
This tactile exhibit is incredible. It really brings the history to life.
I agree. It reminds me of my time on the carrier.
Control, this is Unit 3. Sector 4 is clear. Climate systems nominal.
Preserving this World War II history is critical. This carrier stands as a memorial to the sacrifices made, educating millions.